Hello children, how are you? I hope everybody are fine and safe at home. Today I am going to teach you in the G science we need plants. Yes, we already know that we need plants. Why? Because for living and we get food and the oxygen from the plants. Still we get more things from the plants. What are that? We get wood, we get clothes, that means fiber, again vegetables, fruits. These are all we get from the plants. Last previous classes we learned types of plants and parts of the plants. Today we are going to learn we need plants. So what do we get from the plants? We get many useful things from plants. Most of the food we eat comes from the plants. Almost all what we are eating, that all we get from the plants. And also we get clothes, wood and medicines from the plants also. And it make the hair clean and fresh also. Let's see. We give uh, we get oxygen from the plants, we get food from the plants. Is it no? Then we eat fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, oils, sugars, and spices from the plants. Let's see, learn from one by one. Yes, I said no. We get fruits from the plants. We get vegetables from the plants. Which foods we get? We get spinach like leaves, potato from the stem of the plant, then radish from the roots of the plants, then apple like an apple is from the fruit of the plant. Again we get wood like wooden doors, windows, paper, toothsticks. Again pencils, you are using pencils, no? That also made by the wood. Whether we get wood from also plants. Again medicines plants. Different parts of some plants like the neem tree are used to make the medicines. Even an example of a we can use the basil or the tulsi. The juice of tulsi leaves is also used for cough and cold. Again turmeric. Do you know the turmeric? It is in yellow color. Yes, it paste is also used to heal the wounds and it is used in the cooking. It also has anti-inflammatory. Then amla. Amla juice is good for stomach. It is also one of the medicinal plant. Aloe vera. This juice of aloe vera plant is good for skin also. So these are the medicinal plants and uses from the medicinal plant. Yes, we get more fruits from the plants: watermelon, melon, pineapple, apple, orange, kiwi fruit, banana, papaya, pomegranate, coconut, then dragon fruit, melon, sweet melon, lime melon, again star fruit, cherries. Like this, many fruits we get from the plants. It gives us vitamins and the vitamins to our body, and these fruits make our body healthy. So always at least per day any one of the fruit we should eat. That is good for the health. Then vegetables, look at vegetables how it is colorful, like that our body also it can helpful. What broccoli, cauliflower, brinjal, cabbage, tomato, pumpkin, capsicum, garlic, potato, chili, cucumber, then carrot, beans, ridge gourd, coriander. So these are all the vegetables we get from the plants. Again, we get pulses from the plants also. You know, these all pulses in your kitchen. You can go through the kitchen and you can observe that, you can learn that names. Here see, beans, then green gram, ಹೆಸರು ಕಾಳು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ವಾ, that is the green gram. When break the green gram, we get the moong dal. We get the moong dal. Okay. Then horse gram, kidney beans, black eyed peas, black mad pea beans. Then in dry pieces there are two types, white peas, then green peas. Then dals, I said no, green gram, then the splitted green gram, split pigeon peas, red lentils, black lentils, Bengal gram. Again chicken peas in two types, white chicken peas and the black chicken peas. Then lentils, pigeon peas, red lentils. See, these are all the pulses. We use these pulses in the cooking, like a sambar, masala item, that all we can eat these pulses. Then we get cereals from the plants also. Which cereals we get? Wheat. We get wheat from the plant. Wheat. Why do we use wheat? We used to make chapati, again bread from the wheat. Barley, it can also used to cooking like a rice. Then rice. Rice is also cooking like a rice. Maize, this is also cereal. You know the popcorn? Okay, it's made from the maize. Then oats. When you are eating snacks like mixture, and the chocos. Chocos also made by the oats. Then millets. These are all the cereals. We get these cereals even from the plants. Then not only vegetables, fruits, cereals, pulses, even we get oils from the plants. How we get oil from the plants? See, coconut oil, olive oil, then sunflower oil, then groundnut oil. These are all oils we get from the plants. How? The seeds of the plants, they are crushed and dried first, again crushed, then extract the oil from that seeds. That oil we can use as a cooking. Do you know, no children? Sunflower oil. This sunflower oil get from the sunflower seeds. Coconut oil we get from the coconut. Then groundnut oil from the groundnut, like that. Then not only that, even spices also we get from the plants. Mustard, you can see, you can observe in tiffins, sambars, when your mother cooked, no, in that food we can see the mustard, black in color. Then cumin. Cumin andre jeerige anta. So this also you can see. You can go through the kitchen, you can ask your mother, just show this item like, then you can learn it. This is called the cumin. It is called the fenugreek. It is green cardamom, coriander seeds, cloves, cinnamon, black cardamom. So these are the spices. Still many are there spices. Look at these all. Even turmeric also one of the spicy. Chili is also one of the spicy. Like many items are there in the spices. Then see, we get many food from different part of the plants. Which are that? See, from the part of the flower, we get cauliflower as a food. Broccoli is as food of the flower of the plant. Then artichoke. So this is also we get flower as the fruit. Then stem, rhubarb, asparagus, celery. So these are stem of the plant. Even we know that potato is also one of the stem, but here given as a root. Then leaves of the plant, that is the cabbage, lettuce, spinach. So we get as a food as leaves. Then roots, carrots, radish. These are the roots of the plants we taken as food. But actually potato and the sweet potato is as like a stem. Then seeds, we can eat the, and we used food as a seeds. Which one? Corn, beans, peas. See, popcorn is made by the corn. Okay, these we eat as a seeds. Then flowers, flowers, not this, fruits. The fruit of the plant, the fruit of the plant, which are that? Tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, pumpkin. We eat as fruit of the plant. Okay, children, I think you learned these are all items. Next class I'll teach still how many things we get from the plants. Just we learned the part of the plant as food. Again, spices we get from the plants. Again, oils we get from the plants. Again, cereals we get from the plants. Pulses also we get from the plants. Vegetables, fruits, these are all we get from the plants. Next class, I'll explain still what we get from the plants. Okay, children, bye.